Video. I don't see no numbers. Oh, yes, I do. All right, y'all. Hey. Me and my papas. We about to do a slight mukbang for y'all. So we hungry. They gave us, look, salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Like somebody gonna eat that. But we went to hot and juicy crab. So we got some hot and juicy crabs. And crawfish, corn, shrimp. I don't even see the potatoes. Oh, there go the potatoes. Potatoes and sausage. Oh, look at that. Just look at that. Marinate. We've been waiting on this for like 2 days. So y'all willing? Come join us so we can show y'all how to eat it. I'm going to show y'all. 2 days, I'm telling you. We've been waiting. It's going to be hot. Well, wait, you got to get all the sauce you're trying to...
No, I guess I'll get it.
I don't see no more.
Just
This is what... Wait a minute, look. You said one spicy.
No?
Look how big these shrimp is. Get that one. I can't wait to break the legs off of this little sucker here. I've been waiting on this. 2 days. 2 days. Probably longer. And I wasn't going to let nothing today stop me from getting it. Not at all. Not at all. These ain't like the last time. The last time these was pretty clean. Where's the juice at in the bottom? I'll roll it through the juice. Then they gave us some of these little guys. Crawfish. I'm gonna try one. They be sucking on them and all that. I ain't gonna do all that. I'm gonna clean it out like it's supposed to be and call it a day. I don't do my thing. No, it's not crawfish. You melt in your mouth now in your hair. It's kind of spicy. I done ate one of the legs. I've been needing this. I'm telling you, how you just wanted something and wanted it and wanted it and wanted it. Finally, I went and got it. I probably wouldn't have got it today too if I didn't have to go out there to turn in my time sheets. And I left my icy in the car. Dang it. All right, y'all turn. I know these gonna be the bomb. What's that? I said something. Oh my God. This kind of spicy. Do me. Put that in your plate. Go in my freezer and get a water for me. And watch the thing. My freezer in my room. Refrigerator. You have to lick your fingers after that. I gotta sit down where I can get good. Mm. That corn, sure juice. You in the refrigerator, boy? The water on the top shelf. Oh, watch that. Let me hit that. Oh, that's what I needed, some cold water. Thank you. I'm telling y'all, my teeth and everything is burning, but it's so good to it really don't matter. I'm telling y'all, I was waiting to pay for this. Oh, gosh. My thing started over. Lord. Oh, yeah, I was exporting it. That's right. So I could download it. Y'all see all that crap? Melt in your mouth, not in your hand. Ouch. Don't be cracking in my fingers, shoot. I don't know how on TV they be eating these without scissors and stuff because that stuff hurts. I'll break them. It's already broke. Okay. Like they cracked it right open. I'll cut it. Oh, God. I'm trying to, I'm glad it fell on my lap. Not on the floor because I was about, I might have to kiss that up. Look at all that. Wow, I was supposed to go across the street and get the garlic butter. Man, we forgot. Look at all that crap. I'm telling y'all, juicy crab is the business. Man, I just wish I worked for him so I can get a discount. You want me to cut it? You gotta cut this, honey. I ain't gonna work right there. You got all that meat right there, too.
Oh, shoot. I didn't even see it.
I need that water. Oh my gosh. That is so
Definitely
good.
spicy.
That is so good. Juicy crab. Hot and spicy juicy crab. That's what it's called. Hot and spicy juicy crawfish. What I know it's the bomb. It's the bomb. It is the bomb, diggity. Yeah. Oh my God. This is too hot for some people to eat. You gotta dip it in the sauce. The sauce is in the bottom. I put something on my plate. I can dip my stuff in it. Huh?
Yeah.
I forgot it's some in that bag too. Watch your icy. That's the bomb, huh? Even Papa going, I tried to get this that day Zamaya was over here. I was gonna go get it. But she left to go to Nika's house. So I ended up getting it that day. And yesterday she was in a hurry to get back to Nika's house. I just said that's okay. Me and Papa have our time with it one day. Then I was down the street, and that's all she wrote. That's all she had to do was be right down the street. Right. I gotta lick my fingers.
Your hands are so clean. I don't even have to wash them off.
Man. And it hurts when I'm there. These potatoes taste so good. They're so little. I was trying to eat a crawfish. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show y'all the calamari. You can't see it good. That white. I'm gonna save some of them for Junior. He like that.
Is this calamari sauce?
I don't know what it is. It was in there with it. It must be. They was in the same thing. What? What? That's my bird. They probably smell that pepper. It ain't all that pepper. Like I thought it was gonna be. That's because that sauce right there. I done put that sauce.
Make sure you drink water every time you eat the spicy boiled thing.
Yeah, plus you need that water. Water's good for you. If this only thing gonna make you drink water, then you need to get some of this every day. I love me some water. Now, I never used to drink water. Now, I drink me some water. Don't cover the table, cover your mouth. No. This hamburger's just called scrumptious. Scrumptious delia. I probably made up a word. Oh, well. Yeah. I'm gonna try another crawfish. I just don't understand what the point of them is because they ain't got no They ain't got no meat.
You got the world.
You're supposed to just this level down.
Potato. You know why?
What?
You're not the nastiest potato anymore.
Wait, potato is a potato.
And a nasty potato is a nasty potato.
They fine to me. Taste different. I broke that just fine tonight.
You can see all these juicy crab.
Don't waste them. If you gotta eat that out the top part too. Wait, let me do that. You need to break this because you ain't eating this part. You gotta dig this up. Out. Yeah, cut there. Did you eat all that out of that one? Clean that up.
Yeah, I ate all of it.
You're supposed to put the holes and stuff in this plate.
For sure.
And then you'll have room in your plate. Double cut this one to make it easier to open. There you go. Here. Oh, don't waste this is a whole shrimp.
Oh.
This is a whole shrimp. All that shrimp in there. Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. Practice make perfect. Mm. Mm. I don't got that many words because I'm hungry. I'm telling y'all, I've been dreaming of that. And if one more person on YouTube show me they crab, I'm gonna hurt somebody. They always doing crab. Yeah. I can't talk. I always used to make them. But I just been on theirs. Because there is a difference. There is a difference. Look at all that meat. All that crab. Do the break the crab, break the crab, wrestle with it. So we've been having a good day today. We was at home most of the day though. They went all down my shirt. Yeah, I went and got it. It's mine. I say I went and got it. It's mine. Oh, this is the bomb. Go get some tissue, blow your nose. I thought I took out a roll of toilet. You know the paper towel? I seen it in the trunk of the car. That's where it's at, in the trunk of the car. Along with them other bags I need to go get. I was thinking about eating. Once I got and the juicy crab, I wasn't thinking about nothing else but this. All that crab. I'm telling you, it's so juicy. I don't know why I'm sniffing because my nose ain't even right. Oh, look at all that. And all that. And all that. That is something else.
I think your video is updated.
Yeah, it was downloading from me. It's alright. It'll be alright when I get in. Man, I told you this was gonna be right on time. And then it hit the spot. Yeah. On top of that shave ice we had. I wish we would have kept some of that. I got crab all on my shirt. All in my shirt. Yep. So I enjoyed this finally. I've been waiting on this finally. And I finally got it. That's all I've been waiting on. Finally. Yes, sir. This has been the bomb. Them little pieces right here got crab in them too. You have to break it like that. See? And you gotta eat these little end things. I'll get them. They got crab now. You gotta dig your finger in here, this part, and pull them out. The crab is in there. Yeah, these are easy to break open. Okay. The ladies was getting on down here. Let's fit in the trash.
Oh, it's getting really spicy.
It ain't changed, boy. He said it changed. It changed.
It really did.
Not for me. It's still the same. You want a sauce? Alright. I'm telling y'all, I've been dying for this. Now I got it. I was gonna make myself eat it. I don't care how hot this was. The last time the lady gave us the wrong bag, and we had the king crabs. Yeah, that got spicy. Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna get a big piece. I think I'm gonna get a big piece. It broke the other way, look. Sure did.
We have lines
Uh-huh.
the whole entire time. Could score some line in us.
Oh yeah, right there. You still can squirt it. I can't believe I ain't ate that corn nut. I gotta call Nora and check on Lori. Nobody ain't said nothing today. Well, I don't know. My phone been in my purse since I've been gone. I'm trying to figure out what is they doing. Biting on that thing. What you trying to get it, knock it down? Well, I really am kind of full. These dang crawdads. I call them crawdads. I know they crawfish. I think that's what they used to call them, crawdads. This. I'm gonna my leg hurts sitting like this. I gotta get up. There you go. Well, I really enjoyed this. It done got cold now. Because as you see, the sauce getting thick. I don't want nothing out there done got cold. See, they don't give you enough crab. That's why I like to buy my own crab. Because I have a whole pot full of crab. And I have some of their sauce to put on it. So I'm going to buy some crab. And do a whole pot. Do a whole pot with their sauce. Come out of here. Oh, I hate you have to act up.
And I hate this when it doesn't come out.
Yeah, sure. I seen King now just throw them. They really wasted it because he was throwing them in his mouth because they was had the crab in it like that, chewing it up and then spitting it out. That was a waste of crab. But they don't never have scissors either. You gotta have them.
Yeah, I heard people sometimes they don't have scissors, sometimes they don't.
Yeah, you gotta have scissors. What is the point if you ain't got no scissors?
But there's someone by scissors and then cut your crab.
That was a bomb, huh?
Yeah, you don't have to waste that.
See? Last time I cooked my own crab, and I bought this and had my own crab with it and put it together and sauced it all up.
Oh, I bet that tasted good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna taste better when I do it this time too.
Wait,
We damaged Dabney and Papa. We didn't play.
Wait, when you cook that, when you could have that, and you cook this, who was
Yeah,
there?
like this sauce that's left in the bag, I put it in that sauce and shook it up.
Who's with you?
Mookie and Lonnie.
Oh.
All right. I'm done.
This food was good, and it'll always be good.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in that thing and put top on it.
But then one thing that we forgot is to pray before we ate our food.
Oh,
So we
God,
can bless and
forgive
over
me,
it.
Lord. Lord, Heavenly Father, thank you for this food. Sorry that we forgot to pray before we ate this, Lord. Oh, God, forgive me. Forgive me, forgive me. I'll never forget. But forgive me, Lord. Forgive me, forgive me. And thank you for all that you do for us, Lord. And the food that you provide for us, Lord. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
We was really late, Lord.
And that just hit me.
Man.
Like, it just hit me. Like
I'll never forget. Never. I must have really been hungry. Really been hungry.
That's too hard. You okay?
I wanted to see what was in this part.
Shoot.
Did they have meat in this part?
I'm breaking his tail off and his body.
No.
I'm breaking his whole body off. Not be his tail. Just breathe.
Boy, that's all shrimp.
No,
That's all shrimp in there, and that's all shrimp in there.
all the crab is gone. Almost all the food in the bowl is gone. I pretty much like the sausages.
We pretty much devoured that real quick. Man.
Oh, I'm done.
We still have that much left.
Ooh,
I'm telling you, put that sauce on it and make some more shrimp. Get some more crabs to go in it. Yeah, I don't eat all the sauces. I could put some crab in it tomorrow. It'll be real good. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put some crab in this. I'm gonna make some crab to go in this season. Watch. It's gonna be the same as if I went into their place. I guess he working off his food. He getting his dance on. Getting this dance on. Getting this dance on. These chunks are so big and juicy.
I pretty much love the sausage
Yeah, but you pretty much can't eat them all.
better than all the other food. But this time we gotta settle down.
My lips is burning now. Yep, he pretty much ate them all.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, you enjoyed, y'all? Hope y'all enjoyed us. But we need this stuff. Put this sauce on there
Bye bye.
so it don't go to waste. It's gonna be in here. Look at all that sauce in this bag. It's gonna be all over here. So when I warm
That better be extra spicy.
it is extra spicy.
Oh.
It's so good when I make it. Yeah. I'm sure I'm gonna get some. Just because I got this sauce. Boom, 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 boom. I should have cut that bag instead of like that. Pretty much doing like this. You rub the meat all
Oh yeah,
over.
that was so good.
With the top